I forgot to tell you, thanks for showing up early to help like set up and whatnot.
Yeah, I mean, no problem, man. You offered me leftovers, so I'm not gonna say no to that.
What's up, Gabe? Did you bring refried beans?
Yeah, it's Thanksgiving, Gabe. I don't know. Why would we need refried beans? Thank you. I guess it works.
Got these reduced sodium black pinto beans. Got these reduced sodium black pinto beans. They're so good. I use that beef. They don't say well about. I'm telling you this now.
Dude, I'm not a
You can have. I'll split it with you.
No, I'm not.
I'm not a big bean guy.
I'm not a big bean gas. Look at it. I'm not a big bean gas.
Dude, I'm telling you, if you eat these, it'd be so good.
You should have just got green beans. I don't
Dude,
understand
no.
why you brought normal.
These are so
It's
good.
not that big of a deal. Well,
Shut up, Jack.
dude.
No, you're gonna eat these.
I'm
You're all gonna eat these.
Not gonna eat.
You're all gonna eat these.
Dude, let me tell you, these beans, one serving, 1,500 calories. Alright, that's fine. It's 210 milligrams trans fat. It's fine. There's no vitamins.
No one cares what.
There's no
the-
protein.
Yeah, honestly, I don't.
No
Dude, let me
no
tell you about the
one-
cholesterol.
No one cares. what
Only
the beans.
1,500 milligrams cholesterol.
No one cares what.
That's not that much.
Just watch Outdoor Boys. Just
Dude, give me the Doom. Let me change the channel. Alright, let's see what we got here. What? Why is Avery on that?
Is that Avery?
What?
Welcome back to Cooking with Avery. The ingredients you will need today are one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, one 14-ounce can of condensed sweetened milk, 2 large eggs, and a 9-inch pie crust. For seasoning, you'll need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now, most baking shows will tell you the first step in the process is always to preheat your oven. But here, that's not how we do it. We like to get straight to the action. So, the first thing we're gonna do is find out how we can chop open this pumpkin to get the pumpkin puree that's inside of it. Now, I'm sure we can find everything I need in here in my trusty fanny pack. Oh, and I think I found something we might be able to use. I don't know if this is big enough, actually. Oh, this might work. I think it's too small still. There's gotta be something in here that I can, oh wait. Yeah, this will work. Might be a little too messy though. Wait, actually, I think I have the perfect idea for this. I just have to go to my workshop. All right, so ignore the workshop. It's seen better days. We're a little low on money right now after a little bit of a family matter, but you're just gonna want to take the pumpkin and instead of cutting it open, we're just gonna want to. Oh, all right, sick. Yeah, so now we're just gonna want to reach deep inside this pumpkin. Doesn't matter if it rips open, you're just gonna want to grab your pumpkin puree out. Oh, okay, yeah, that should be good. Now that we have our pumpkin puree, we're just gonna want to throw that straight into our pie crust. Start spreading it out. Pretty sure that's what we're supposed to do. Oh, and you thought I forgot about the eggs, didn't you? No, I got those right down here. I know these are in here somewhere. Oh yeah, here they are. Okay, so now that we have our eggs, we're just gonna wanna squeeze these up, get them nice and smushed up. Then you're just gonna wanna add it all into your pumpkin pie mixture. All right, and then the final thing we wanna add is that condensed sweetened milk. But after my parents disowned me, I actually didn't have enough money to buy that, but, oh, you know what actually probably would work? I left this milk sit out for like 2 weeks or something. I actually don't know, but this should probably work. Let's just. Now, the last step of the process is just the seasoning. And I don't have nutmegs, so we're gonna use seasonal salt instead. It's a substitution you can use. So let's just start adding that in. Now, I don't do precise measurements. I usually just feel it out. All right, that should be good. Next up, you can add your, okay, well, I thought this was ginger, but apparently it's onion powder. That should be fine, probably. So just add the onion powder in now. Oh, gosh. Oh, all right. And then finally, you're just gonna add the half a teaspoon of salt. Should be good. So now that everything's in there, you're just gonna wanna thoroughly mix this up, and you'll begin to notice that it'll start to look a lot better. Or, well, it's supposed to, but just keep on mixing until you get the desired consistency that you want. Now that you're done mixing the pie, we're gonna wanna put it into the oven and bake it at 400. Dang it! I forgot to pay the electric bill again. We're just gonna have to bake this outside, I guess. All we have to do now is to cook up this pie. You know, that's really weird. Actually, it doesn't really look how the recipe I was following looked. Who am I kidding? I shouldn't be baking. I have to find a way. I have to get a job. I have to. This is why my parents disowned me.
You're 3 hours late, Brendan. It's dark out.
Sorry, man, I'm late.
It's not a big deal. Did you bring the turkey and rice?
Turkey and rice, Jackson. No, I actually got the manga and dice.
Okay.
Come on, Snake Eyes. Come on, Snake Eyes. Yes! 12.
What does that mean?
Gambler, man. I love my manga and I love my gambling. You got beans, man.
Yeah, throw out yours. I gotta take a call really quick.
All right.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah. What am I thankful for?
We asked students around FHS what they're thankful for. All right, Brielle, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my dog for not dying once again, another year.
I'm thankful for my family, my friends, and my friends.
Okay. All right, what are you thankful for this year?
My family.
What are you guys thankful for?
My family, my job, money.
I would say my family and cheer. All right, what are you thankful for, Joey?
I'm thankful for Miss Noel, or Miss Mornell, I guess, yeah.
Shout out. All right, what are you guys thankful for?
My family.
Nothing.
Okay.
I'm thankful for the dance team and Riley Pettit.
Riley?
I'm thankful for Abby Oshani.
Oh, how cute. All right, what are you thankful for?
Family, friends, school.
Eddie, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for Roblox, Fortnite, new season coming out.
November 3rd, right?
Yeah, November 3rd. Family, my mom especially, shout out mom.
I'm thankful for all our great sports at FHS, all our teachers, all the students, and a great community.
Oh yeah.
I'm thankful for my family and friends and this awesome job that I have here working at the high school.
All right, Mr. Vaughn, what are you thankful for?
Oh, absolutely. I'm thankful for my family, my wife, my daughter Hope, son Miles, and all the wonderful students at Franklin High School.
Take care of this. Dude, don't care. 60 cents, $1.20. Dude, I will pay you double that. 2,000 pesos for all of it. I will pay you double not to get it to me. I'm sorry, but I can't eat these beans. I just don't want them. I don't like being force-fed things. They're just, I bought these out of the kindness of my heart.
Man,
with my hard work.
This kind of reminds me of Unorthodox Pranksters.
We are the Unorthodox Pranksters, and today we're going to be presenting Thanksgiving-themed presentations in front of a classroom. But the catch is, the presenters have never seen the presentation before, and it was made by the other team. So me and Nico will be making a presentation for Rami and Evan, and vice versa, without ever seeing the presentation before we present it. The winner will be decided on how many people kneel during the presentation. And if you're wondering how we do that, you'll just have to see.
So this is our presentation about Thanksgiving from the Saber Gratitude Committee.
Whoa!
Did you know that on average a turkey cries 6 times during its life on the farm? 5 of those times are when it's being slaughtered. And the other one is giving birth. We're here to tell you that turkeys are not the only option for your Thanksgiving.
Watch this. This
is what it sounds like when a turkey gets slain. So I'm like the turkey in the situation, and Evan is Jane.
Pretty angry.
Yeah. Again, the turkeys are just crying in pain. Please take a 49-second long kneel of silence for the turkeys.
Wait. Everybody, let's go with this. We have turkey.
No, you need to see this.
No turkeys were harmed in making this video, by the way. Here, okay. You ready to play with that? This part was...
That was hard to watch. That was really hard.
That's my 6th time crying.
From the Saber Gratitude Committee. It's new this year. So what do we know about Thanksgiving? It's a time for family and friends to gather and give thanks. And Reggie and Jake the turkeys traveled back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. So those are the 3 things that everybody should know at this point. That's right. Yeah, me too. Dance break. So I know this has been a stressful presentation, so if everybody would like to please start dancing for the dance break. Now, please.
No.
What? Read the slide, man.
What did I hear? Wait, did I hear that right?
Did you?
Say it with us.
We're going back in time to give first Thanksgiving to take turkeys off the menu. Thank you for your overwhelming participation. One last thing, if you could, please join us in a 53-second kneel of silence in honor of all the lost turkey lives.
Okay, that's about 53 seconds.
That guy, but I've been keeping an eye on the time. That wasn't 53 seconds.
Please kneel again.
You had to do the whole 53 seconds, right?
Thank you.
Now I think you're good. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Thank you for making sure we respect the turkeys correctly. Thank you. Have yourselves a wonderful Thanksgiving. Okay, that's it.
So with a score of 3-2, me and Nico may have lost. But is that what Thanksgiving is really all about? Thanksgiving is a time of recognition of what you are thankful for in your life. And always remembering that Jake and Reggie went back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. So when you're sitting with your family and your Thanksgiving pizza, always remember what Jake and Reggie did together. Have a great Thanksgiving, Sabers.
Man, the Packers suck. Yeah, I just had a thought. You know what I could go for? What? Just hear me out. Some beans.
I don't know, man. The only thing they'd be good in is like a casserole.
Casserole? Like with black beans?
Yeah, like a, I don't know, just casserole.
Like a green bean casserole.
Hello, Sabers. Welcome to the annual Thanksgiving cook-off. With me on my left,
hot stuffing.
Supposed to use your name.
Oh, Riley.
And on my right,
Corey.
All right. So they have 30 minutes to cook green bean casserole. Whoever does it better wins. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh. Spoon. Judge, is this okay to use?
I wouldn't recommend it.
Darn it, where can you find a utensil in this place? Thank you. Soup. Soy sauce. Soy sauce, soy sauce. How much soy sauce you need? Teaspoon. Judge, how do you take this off of this?
What are you trying to...
Beans.
Hey, I already poured the milk for you. I know we're supposed to be competing, but
can you add a little tiny bit more milk?
it has to be 1/2.
I like my beans creamy. These beans aren't even leaked out.
I'm so sorry that they aren't leaked out. Oh, jeez.
How's everything coming along?
I think this shows it all. I'm doing great.
Yep.
Y'all ready? I'm gonna be cooking it now.
Did you add seasoning?
I think that's the least of our worries here. I'm gonna be.
I think you should add seasoning. If you're trying to taste it, I think seasoning would probably improve it, right?
Is if I add my own spin on it?
It's up to you.
I want to add a little bit of this to this.
I don't know.
There we go. Now it should probably be edible.
We have some wonders with us. I don't have anything. I don't have anything positive to say about looks.
I put my heart and soul into it.
You sure? Looks, it's like a 4. Actually, I lied. It's a 1. It's a 1. It's a 1. Taste wise, it's bad. This is like a 0. Oh, this actually looks like a green bean casserole. That looked like slop. So.
Oh.
Yeah.
What would you rate on looks then?
It's like a 2.
You would see unmixed in seasoning.
I retract my statement. It's like a 1. Do I really have to taste this one? Some of the seasoning. All right, so we had some colorful things today. We had slop and vanilla extract one. Again, I don't know why. Just because of the atrocity this thing is, this thing wins. I'm done.